Do you want to start your own D2C brand store but confused how to start it? What technology tools you should have? Let's watch this out in this video. Hey friends, this is Harsh Mahajan. Let's take you to the tools and technologies you need to fuel your D2C brand store. First of all, you need to have a great e-commerce store. There are multiple options right now in the world which you can use to start your e-commerce D2C store. First, you can use Shopify, which is one of the best tools out there. It helps you to start store quickly in, I'll say, less than 5 minutes. You can configure the theme, the products, the collections, everything you want right there from the Shopify. The advantage of using Shopify is that it has a lot of inbuilt applications, a lot of third-party applications which you can use as per your own requirement. Second, you can use WordPress. WordPress has WooCommerce, which powers more than I think 90% of the websites around the web, and it also has huge list of plugins which you can use to start your own D2C brand stores. Then there are other service providers, other applications, other platforms as well, like Instamojo is there, which you can also use to set up your D2C brand store. It is especially recommended for those who only have one or two products and doesn't want to go into deep tech enhancements or something like that. The things you should keep in mind while choosing any platform is more or less the cost if you go for a feature rich store will be approximately the same if you choose WordPress or Shopify, because in Shopify you will be paying for a lot of applications. In WordPress you will be paying for a lot of plugins. So in terms of actual cost, it is exactly the same, or I'll say more or less the same. In terms of, I'll say, the ease of use, Shopify does take an advantage over WooCommerce, because in Shopify you have to use one-click app installers to install it. In WooCommerce you have to make sure that the plugins are not conflicting with each other, and you need to have either a developer with you, or you should have some technical knowledge about the WooCommerce. So you have to choose wisely what platform is good for you. Both are good, both gives you the performance. So you can choose shopping ads and Facebook. Those plugins are also available with the WooCommerce as well. So choose the platform wisely. Second, the most important part of it, the payments part. You need a good payment gateway through which you can collect the payments from the customers. There are multiple payment gateways right now in India, like Razorpay, Cashfree, PayU, Instamojo, and a lot more. I personally recommend using Razorpay. We have used it for a long time. It gives us the ability to collect payments in multiple formats, and it also gives you to run instant cashbacks on the prepaid payments, and to run additional offers on the cards via the different programs. So I personally like Razorpay. You can choose anyone. You can use Cashfree, you can use PayU or Instamojo. All have been the phenomenal good players into the payment gateway market, but one good payment gateway for your website. Third, you need a good warehouse management system. See, when you have to scale it up, you have to build up processes which can help you in scaling up your own D2C business. And when you talk about D2C business, you need to have multiple vendors from which you will be sourcing up the products. You have to manage your whole supply chain. That is the most critical part of your D2C brand journey. You have to replicate the stock across India via your own warehouses or third-party warehouses. So for that kind of implementation, when you have to scale, right now you have sitting at just one warehouse. You need to say you have one warehouse in north, you want to open up your warehouse in west, you want to open up your warehouse in south. Then you need a system, you need a solution which can help you to easily replicate the internal processes which you have laid out. And for that, Unicommerce is, I believe, the best WMS solution, which is meant to fuel the small and big enterprise players to fuel their D2C brand journey. It gives you the ability to manage your vendors, your complete item level inventory management. They have a lot of tons of features which you should be using to fuel your D2C brand growth. For a very long time, though we are not using it for the last few years, but we were initially one of the best customers, one of the customers to start there to start with Unicommerce, and I personally recommend it for everyone. Fourth, the logistics partner. Logistics partners are crucial for you because you will be offering COD to the customers, and you want logistics partners which can provide you the COD at a cheaper rate, as well as they can deliver to the customer at a much faster rate. You want to deliver the products to the customers in say 24 to 48 hours or 72 hours. So ideally the timeline of delivering the products, the speed at which it gets delivered, should be somewhere 2 to 3 days. It should not go beyond that. I will personally recommend using a lot of shipping aggregators, which solves your problem because you don't have to connect with each and individual logistics partner one by one. You can use Picker, you can use ShipRocket, ShipPay, ShipLite, I think Logistics. There are tons of shipping aggregators which can help you to solve that problem. So pick a solution which has an integration with everyone, and it helps you to streamline your operations. Now you want to manage your basic marketing plan, or to manage your small in-house or outsourced marketing activities. I will highly recommend to either go for any project management tool like Notion, Monday, Asana, Trello, Slack, and most of them have now multiple integrations with other third-party tools, so you might want to use them. I personally recommend using Google Workspaces to start with because it is easy to use, and it is very easy to explain to your team members who may or may not be very tech savvy, and it doesn't require much of the efforts to start. And you have set up everything. You have a basic store ready, you have integrated the payment gateway, you have the WMS solution in your warehouse space, you have partnered with logistics partners. Then you want to start your marketing activities. Few of the apps which you can use to in sync with to make your social media creatives or ads. You can use Canva. It is, I think, by far one of the most cheapest one, and it's one of the most easiest one to start with your creative marketing journey as well. We personally use Canva for a lot of our work, and we find it very useful and easy to share with our team. So you might want to check them out. Sixth, now you have, when your plan is ready and something, you want to redistribute your content to a lot of players, to a lot of users. And for that, email marketing is one of the most effective ways to deliver the content. And you want to build a customer journey, a customer map. When a customer signs up, then he should get another mail, then third mail, then fourth mail, so that a proper drip sequence to connect with your audience is there. You want to bring that traffic from top of the funnel to the bottom of the funnel. To automate that, specifically for the email marketing, I will highly recommend using SendGrid or MailChimp, which have those kind of capabilities and high delivery rate in comparison to other players. If you have advanced team or advanced understanding, you can integrate Amazon SES as well, but you can start with SendGrid or MailChimp, and you can make those automations, make those workflows, and integrate your email list into these platforms, so that users are getting the branded, the perfectly professional mails, and with the correct amount of time the sequence you want to follow. Now the seventh, alerts and notifications. So now there are user is not just acquainted or using the emails. You have other multiple modes as well to connect with the audience, and it definitely helps you to increase your conversion rate. So I'll recommend to integrate all three. To again, you are closer to the customer, you are closer with you're telling them when you have received the orders, the order alerts are there, the campaign alerts are there. So use a SMS gateway for sending SMS. Use any good push notification provider like WebEngage, where you can set up the campaigns right within your Shopify application or a WooCommerce application, and you can send them order alerts as well, and you can send the campaigns alerts. You can send them the offers like buy one get one free kind of thing, or you have published a good blog post and you want to redistribute to your audience, then push notifications again can be very handy. And I highly recommend using any WhatsApp business API solution provider, so that you are much more closer to the customer. Send the order alerts to them, send the invoices to them. You can easily handle the return request, the support request. You can send the you can send the campaigns. Now the WhatsApp commerce is also powered in with the with this WhatsApp business API providers like Interact, which you can fuel to again convert it. A lot of people are on the WhatsApp. They are, when you are a new brand, young brand, most of the people might not download your application, and it is very costly to maintain an application as well. For that part, it is highly recommended you use WhatsApp, because a lot of people in India, or I'll say almost everyone, is using one or two WhatsApp. Do let me know how you like this video, and do subscribe and share our channel. Thank you everyone. Stay tuned for future videos.